Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the carnivore diet for anxiety. I've been following this diet for about 6 months now, and I've noticed a huge improvement in my anxiety levels. I'm going to share with you what the carnivore diet is, how it can help with anxiety, and some tips for getting started. What is the carnivore diet? The carnivore diet is a very strict diet that only includes meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. No fruits, vegetables, grains, or processed foods are allowed. The idea behind the carnivore diet is that by eating only animal products, you're giving your body the nutrients it needs to heal and function properly. How can the carnivore diet help with anxiety? There are a few reasons why the carnivore diet can help with anxiety. First, it can help to reduce inflammation. Inflammation is a major factor in many chronic diseases, including anxiety. When you eat a diet that's high in inflammatory foods, like processed foods and sugar, it can trigger anxiety symptoms. The carnivore diet, on the other hand, is very low in inflammation-causing foods. Second, the carnivore diet can help to improve gut health. The gut is home to trillions of bacteria, and these bacteria play a role in many aspects of health, including mood. When the gut is unhealthy, it can lead to anxiety and other mental health problems. The carnivore diet can help to improve gut health by feeding the beneficial bacteria in the gut. Third, the carnivore diet can help to balance hormones. Hormones play a role in many aspects of health, including mood. When hormones are out of balance, it can lead to anxiety and other mental health problems. The carnivore diet can help to balance hormones by providing the body with the nutrients it needs to produce and regulate hormones. Tips for getting started. If you're interested in trying the carnivore diet, here are a few tips to help you get started. Start slowly. Don't try to change your diet overnight. Start by gradually eliminating processed foods, grains, and sugar from your diet. Then, once you're comfortable with that, you can start adding in meat, fish, eggs, and dairy. Listen to your body. Everyone is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. If you're feeling good, then you're on the right track. But if you start to feel worse, then you may need to make some adjustments to your diet. Be patient. It takes time for the body to adjust to any new diet. Don't expect to see results overnight. Be patient and give your body time to heal. The carnivore diet is a very effective way to improve anxiety and other mental health problems. If you're struggling with anxiety, then I encourage you to give the carnivore diet a try. It's a simple, effective way to improve your health and well-being. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them.